Hey guys, so today we're gonna be talking about like different types of slime. Like this one is kind of changed color, like you see it changed to purple and stuff. I thought that was really cool. So this one is like a limeish kind of greenish color. It's like I don't even know how to explain it. It's like greenish, but on camera it looks really white. This one is white. It's like a pearl kind of color. I don't know. I like it. Do you? And then this one is like a blue, baby bluish type of color. I like it. And so yeah, I don't really have a favorite out of all of these because all of these are like really fun to play with. And I have all the ingredients listed down below to make this, but you will probably catch on anyways on what the ingredients are. So probably no need to do that, but I would do it anyway if you didn't. And my nails are like super busted right now, so don't judge me. And I'm sorry for that, but here's a tip. This one gets stuck to like sweaters and stuff, like furry stuff, really easily. So make sure you keep that away from stuff like that. This one, did it get stuck together? Okay, yeah, it got stuck together, but I got it out. But anyways, and this one is like, it's, even though it's like really cool and it's like light resistant, like it turns purple. You see all of this purple right here, and it's blue. You see that? Yeah, that's really cool. So thought I'd share that with you. And this it also gets stuck to stuff very easily, so keep it away from stuff like that. This one does too. It sticks to stuff really easily, so yeah. Um and this one, my it's probably like it's like, I like it out of all of them. I wouldn't call it my favorite, but it's really fun to play with. And it's like, it doesn't really get stuck to stuff easily. So let's see. Let's see if it does. And so yeah, these are like really cool. I really like them. And like it like literally like moisturizes your hands a little bit. Like it's so cool like that. It's cool like that. And then it's like, this is like I said, baby bluish type of color. That's really cool. And this one is like a lime type of color, like a sea type of themed slime, but I like it too. And this one is like a crystalish kind of slime. Like I said, it's also color changing, but like you can see right through it. I mean, it's like transparent when you do this, but like when you like just do it like this and keep it like this, it's not very transparent. So yeah, thanks for watching this slime facts little video, and yeah. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, whatever.